Hey, this is back to myself. I'll just probably keep it random, this video, and I'm not even sure I'll upload it in the future. It's unless I will learn how to put together like a couple of videos, because I don't have a SIM card on my phone right now. As I told you, I put it away in the forest, so I'll make like these little parts of the video in a different day so you can see how it is going. But what I wanted to tell you this time is now is like 4 o'clock in the morning, like 4 a.m. and about that issue that I had with internet or online thing, the addiction, it wasn't 100% about just only internet or online addiction. I had a big issue with my sleeping cycle, and whatever I tried to do, for example, I would go to sleep, I don't know, daytime, okay, daytime, night, I'm not sleeping. Then the next day I would try and not to sleep the day at all, and I would go to sleep in the evening like a normal person. And it could be like I would go to sleep at 8 o'clock. Once, one of that time I would wake up not at 4 o'clock as I planned in the morning, but I would wake up at the 8 o'clock in the morning. So I would sleep 12 hours, which basically means that if I woke up like after 6 o'clock, then would be really big problem for me to fall asleep easy in the evening. So that didn't work. Then the next time I tried to do the same thing, I would go to sleep at 8 o'clock in the evening, so I didn't sleep like for, I don't know, 36 hours. And I would wake up like 12 in the midnight or 1 o'clock. And then I would get probably like my phone, or even not, and I wouldn't sleep like till 6 in the morning. So I would just lie in bed for 5 hours, and then again I would fall asleep. So that shit like didn't work for me so many bloody times. I just can't stress enough how bad it is for me. So that thing I told you about my SIM card, that didn't work as I planned. I mean, it did kind of, but not to the extent that I planned. Today is already, I think, 16th of March, which basically means I'm around 128 or 129 days of no PMO. But that's not the point. I wasted like 1 week already of my since I last uploaded the video that I told you I'm gonna take my SIM card away. So my SIM card is now at the forest, and the reason I wanted to record this video, because I finally got myself into taking cold shower, and I wanted to tell you, damn, that was really bad, like really bad. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, the temperature outside is -5 degrees Celsius, and so you understand how I'm taking cold shower. It's in another building where where my father lives in, so there is like a bathroom. There is no heating in there, and the temperature usually of the water in there, if I just leave the water in there, because we don't have a running water, is 6 degrees Celsius. So I put it in that basket for the water from the bucket, and I splashed it all over myself after I took my clothes off, and then it was so bad. It was so bad. It's like someone is killing you. It's just literally someone is like killing you. That is so bloody bad. I don't know. I read this thing yesterday that you have to teach yourself only three things at the time to make it like a habit. So I wanna learn to do the cold shower thing like every bloody morning. I mean, if my sleeping cycle doesn't go bad. Now it has been the second night that I have been waking up like not like early, but there is also another problem that I'm kind of thinking that it's like a problem because I'm going to sleep at 9 o'clock in the evening, 9 o'clock, and I'm I'm falling asleep quite easily. But the problem is, it's the second night. I'm waking up like 12 midnight. Then I would go to sleep another 1 hour. Then I would wake up again. Then I would go to sleep again. Yesterday I managed to do it like that till 3 a.m. So after 3 a.m. I just couldn't fall asleep anymore. So I did like some Eastern Chinese kind of, I don't know, it's kind of metaphysical yoga or whatever. And today I woke up at 2 a.m. and I just couldn't sleep no more. So I did that thing. I lied. I lied in the bed. I still stayed in the bed for a bit. Then I did my. I'm just like going and sitting on my knees for like 5-10 minutes. So it's like meditation. And then I would go to take a cold shower. And now it's already 4 a.m. And now I'm going to do my 5 Tibetans exercises. Which is again, I'm doing them from only 3 repetitions. Again, because I didn't do them properly like I should, adding up 2 each week. So now I'm starting from the beginning again. So yeah, this is how it has been. Cold shower is like really killing me. I'm both hoping that I will manage to do them again on a daily basis, but I'm facing, or I'm guessing that it will be, my mind will like really trying to push me away from taking cold showers, because that is so bloody damn shit experience that I think that I will try and find like millions of excuses not to do it. But I don't know, we'll just see how it goes tomorrow. I don't know. Alright, so this was an update. I don't know, I should put like couple of videos together. But the video has gone already like till 9 minutes. I'm sorry, I just can't talk like short. I don't know. Alright, you take care. This is back to myself. It is 17th of March, which is Nofap day 130th, and 100 days of no smoking. It is 20 minutes till 5 or 4:40 a.m. Again, my sleeping cycle is no good. Yesterday I couldn't abstain from falling asleep in the day for about 3 hours. And although I did that, I managed to fall asleep in the evening around 9-ish p.m. But the problem is I woke up something about 20 to 1 a.m. So that basically means that I slept for 3.5 hours. Then I woke up and I couldn't fall asleep at all after that. I tried to for about half an hour, and then I just grabbed my phone. Although I don't have a SIM card, I don't have internet, but I started reading the book by Leo Tolstoy. I think it's called It's Easier to Live Without God. That book is like very difficult to grasp and to understand. It's about all the opposite things in religion, like counter points of view. Yeah, and whatever. I already did some like meditation kind of stuff, but why I wanted to record this is because yesterday I was recording the first video, and probably I will show it to you later, which is about cold showering. And the problem is, now it's the time for me to go and take cold shower. It's 20 to 5 a.m. It is cold as F outside. Well, not too much, but it's around, I don't know, -2, -3 Celsius. But the temperature also cold in the bathroom where I'm about to go and take a shower, cold shower. Well, it's not like a real shower, I already explained to you many times. It's like I'm splashing the cold water all over myself, which is bloody like killing. You literally feel like you are getting killed. So the point is, my mind is trying to, do whatever it takes just to get away from that, just not to go and do that. I'm just too reluctant to do anything, like not anything. I don't want to go and take a cold shower. I am telling myself that I have to, if I want to learn myself some good habits, but the experience is so bloody bad that I don't know. I guess I just have to get up and go, but So yeah, that was Nofap day 130. You take care. Alright, 5:30 a.m. Just came from the bathroom after splashing the water all over myself, like taking cold shower. And it is still bad. It is still so bloody bad. I'm trying to remember to compare to what it was like a couple of months ago when I tried to do it as well, probably like for a week or so. And even before, there used to be times when I used to take cold showers. And I remember correctly that after you've done it, like when exactly at the time after you've done it, when you come out of the bath and start to dry yourself, I remember that you immediately start to feel a lot better and good, even like smiling to yourself and all that stuff. But now it's not happening. Like, even after I did it, I'm drying myself and I still feel like bad as shit. Like I'm shivering, not like shivering like to the extent that like this. No, it's not as bad, but I still feel too bad. Like, it's hard to explain. The whole experience for me now is very bad with cold showers. I'm hoping that if I don't quit, I hope that I won't. I'm hoping that after a week or so it'll be better. Because if it'll continue like this, like with this bad experience, and I forgot the word, doesn't matter. Okay.